Good afternoon. My name is Mike Hebert, and I am the Director of Admissions and Marketing for ISHCMC. Welcome to the virtual open house for the International School of Ho Chi Minh City. Today, I'm just gonna get some housekeeping out of the way. So for the agenda for today, we'll be starting with a primary session at 4:15, followed by a secondary session at 5 p.m. and finishing off with our community session at 5:45 p.m. If at any point you have a direct question that might be related to a specific area or admission focus, we ask that you join our Ask Admissions open room, which is available in the links that you have seen or on our virtual open house website. For this first session, I'll be introducing a little bit about myself and a little bit about our school. There will be no Q&A in this session, but our first Q&A, as I said, starts at 4:15. So let's begin. So my name is Mike Hebert. I'm the Director of Admissions and Marketing. I am originally from Canada, but have called Vietnam home now for 6.5 years. And at ISHCMC, my role and with my team is to ensure that all prospective parents and students have a great experience enrolling and getting to know more about our school. So let's begin of who we are. So the International School of Ho Chi Minh City is the first international school in Ho Chi Minh City and has a rich history. Part of this history starts in 1993 when we first opened our doors as the International Grammar School. And then fast forward to 1998, where we became a three program IB World School, the first one of its kind in Ho Chi Minh City. And at that time, we also changed our name to the International School of Ho Chi Minh City. Other important facts are in 2000, we graduated our first class of IB diploma program students. In 2011, we joined the Cognita Education Group, a group with over 70 schools worldwide. And in 2018, we celebrated our 25th year in Ho Chi Minh City. So when we think about ISHCMC, an important aspect to note is we have two campuses. We have our first campus, our primary campus you see here in the photograph, and a short drive away, about 5 minutes away, is our secondary campus. And although we have two campuses, we still have one community. Through these two campuses, we teach the International Baccalaureate curriculum, and we are a world school, meaning that we are able to teach from our early years program all the way to grade 12, the entire IB curriculum, PYP, primary years program, middle years program, and our diploma program for grade 11 and grade 12. Our vision at ISHCMC is to create an inspiring world of education by building self-belief and empowering individuals to succeed. We do this through our values, and our values are around curiosity, achievement, resilience, and empathy. And together they form what we call CARE. But beyond our mission and our vision and our values is who we are as a group. And at ISHCMC, we are a very diverse community of over 55 nationalities of students represented and teachers from around the world, most notably the UK, Canada, the US, Australia, South Africa, and other countries around the world. We are internationally minded. Not only are our students diverse, our curriculum promotes international mindedness and global citizenship through connections with schools around the world, through programs and projects that connect our students to topics that are relevant today and will be relevant for the next 20 years. And again, we are a strong community. So it's normal if you're here in Ho Chi Minh City to see our rhinos and our stingrays around the city, whether they be running around on the field at a soccer match on a weekend, or competing in the pool, or even just hanging out with their friends around Tao Dien. It's common to see our rhinos living their best days in Ho Chi Minh City. And then going back to our values, we talked about curiosity, achievement, resilience, and empathy. And together they form who we are in terms of our values, but they also present very well into our culture of care. And this culture of care fits into our mission, where we inspire well-being and learning so that our diverse, internationally minded community flourishes as energized, engaged, and empowered learners. And this connects to our Cognita. So Cognita is the group that runs and owns the International School of Ho Chi Minh City. And we foster around the world this idea of our Be Well Charter, focused on well-being and building a sense of feeling content, emotionally, socially, physically, flourishing students, looking at both the physical and mental contributors to well-being. Beyond well-being, we look at a few areas. One of these areas is our sporting life. We are the home of the rhinos, and these rhinos compete on the field, on the court, in different, we'll say, earth-like areas, while our stingrays, although rhinos are not the fastest in the pool, we have a really strong swim team, and we call them the stingrays. It is the largest team and the largest group at ISHCMC, with over 130 stingrays who participate in both more recreational and competitive swimming at ISHCMC. In addition, we have education outside the classroom. So at ISHCMC, we believe in holistic education, and holistic education is important to focus on areas such as life skills, survival skills, a different hand-eye coordination through education outside the classroom. So our students go on 4 to 5 day camps every year, sometimes twice a year when we can. And camps are about 2 to 5 hour drive away from the city in the wilderness, and they sleep there, they eat there, and together they connect and build these skills together. Outside of sports, we also have the arts. The arts at ISHCMC is built into our curriculum. Every year we hold performances on both primary and secondary campuses. And we also have the ISHCMC Performing Arts Academy, which is a wonderful after-school activity that really develops this added sense of creativity. Technology at ISHCMC is at the forefront of our curriculum as well, whether it be robotics, woodworking, cooking, or more futuristic technologies such as coding for AI or design technology. This is a key part of our curriculum. Finally, action and service is a very important part of the IB program. And it's important for us to make sure our students are giving back to their community, getting involved in projects that make a difference in our world and impact future generations. So just to sum up, at ISHCMC, we really focus on our students to reach an outcome, a learning outcome that is energized students, engaged students, and empowered students to make a difference and to take agency in their own learning and their own lives. And together this forms a whole community of positively ISHCMC students. So thank you very much for listening to our intro today. We will be starting in about 5 minutes with the primary session. And at this point, you can ask all the questions you may have around primary, secondary, and community will follow after that. Thank you very much.